purple cauliflower and chimichurri style sauce, grilled on the Yak Grill, a stainless steel hibachi charcoal grill. Let's get outside and light some coals.
Alright, it's time to heat up your charcoal. You can use one of these chimneys and a heating source, or I have a fire going behind me where I'm just going to pop the coals right on there, let them heat up. This could take anywhere from like a half hour to an hour, so build that into your cook time. So I'm just going to throw these onto the fire, and while we wait, I'll get everything prepped.
Alright, now it's time to get your cauliflower out. Start cutting it into steaks, and if you have cauliflower like I have, it's probably going to explode on you. But nevertheless, you can salvage it and just continue to make as many steak-like pieces as you possibly can without disrupting the cluster. Place your cauliflower in a baking sheet and drizzle olive oil on it. So to get the sauce started, you're going to want to chop up your parsley, and you're going to want to chop it up as much as possible, get a nice fine chop to it. I find that that's best when spreading it over the cauliflower. And don't forget your handy dandy pocket lemon. Squeeze that lemon juice out onto your parsley. Make sure you get every ounce out. Then you're going to take out your Calabrian chili paste. Get a huge tablespoon, and if you like it spicy like me, add a little bit more. As you're mixing it up, add in some of your favorite olive oil. And keep mixing until it's fully incorporated. And don't forget to add salt like I did. I'm using some Spiceology lime salt. It's a finishing salt, but I like the flavor that it imparts within this sauce or what have you. And, don't forget your beer. It's a nice day. Enjoy it. Alright, after you drink some of your beer, you're going to get out your green onions and start slicing them up. You want to slice them kind of thin. These will be spread across the cauliflower, so just be mindful of that. Alright, so what you're going to do is mix in a little bit more olive oil and then start placing your coals. Bust out the Yak Grill and take the piping hot coals and place them inside of your grill. Do a cool little flippy thing and then put the grate on top, and we're ready. So now we're going to gently place the cauliflower steaks on top of the grill. As you saw when we cut them, they were a little unstable, so we're just going to be real gentle with it. And I just noticed that my dog is eating all the birdseed off the ground, so can't wait for that later. The goal of this dish is to get a nice char on the cauliflower. I like to fan at the charcoal to increase the heat a little bit, but ultimately you're going to cook these on each side for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then you're going to plate. Alright, so now you're going to spread the sauce all over the cauliflower. Personally, I like a whole bunch, getting in all the nooks and crannies. The heat from the Calabrian chili, the refreshing lemon, the nice flavor from just the parsley and the green onion combined. It's just delicious, and it comes out perfectly. There you have it. There's your purple cauliflower with chimichurri inspired sauce.